Hello, this is Easy, and right as it, this day, they have Hexagon, I believe, 2.5 for free. And I'm going to show you where you can get that at, so check the date on the video. There's a couple options here. If you just Google search it, DAZ 3D Hexagon for free, um, you can check some of the links down here. I did notice this might be a direct link, and there's another link that they make you do like a full install to download this. But right now, it's telling me it's free, okay? So then I'm going to tell you a little bit about this application, what it does. So I've been using this since it came out, and it's been many, many years ago. I'd say more. I couldn't even guess, more than 10 probably. But anyway, I've been using this program, and it's basically a box modeling type of software. Even though it's got UVs and all that stuff, I really don't mess with this. There's better applications, but for box modeling, you ain't gonna get no better than this. I mean, far as like simple wise. I've tried a lot of software, and like I said, I've probably been doing 3D for probably 20 years, and I've been on a lot of beta testing and all that stuff. This thing here is so simple. And when you hear somebody say it's so simple, you're thinking, well, it must be kids play. Well, no, this one here was well designed in what it was, and as far as I can see, there ain't nothing that can touch this program for box modeling. And now ZBrush, they got the Z Modeler, and I wish they were both together, because man, they make a match. ZBrush has got more in one way. This Hexagon's got a better way of doing it in a different way. So it's kind of a mismatched thing, and both these together would make a perfect pair. I wish they would install this kind of all these types of options that you can do in Hexagon and put them in ZBrush. But anyway, let's get to the point here. This is for box modeling, so don't think you're going to come in here and bash away at and divide it and sculpt on it. This is not what it's designed for. And if you're new to 3D, or you've been around 3D, you just you see people on the internet just box modeling, like when I first started, I thought it was kind of stupid, and I just really didn't care for it. And it was just like people pushing blocks in and out and putting circles on, really not making anything. I've made quite a few things. I'm kind of like, I like to tinker with things. I don't like spending a lot of time on things. This is why this program it's so simple and so quick. I've made trombone. I made a trombone probably in 3 minutes. Cornet maybe 5-6 minutes. Bike frames 2-3 minutes. Everything just is quick. And what I like about this program here, it's just so simple how it was laid out. I think it was designed by 13 people. I could be wrong. And it's just like, you ain't going. I mean, far as I can see, you ain't gonna get no simpler than this. It doesn't. You don't have to fight with the program. It works for you. It was well laid out. Now, when you download this software, it's got a known issue. It's either going to work good for you, or it's not going to work at all for you, because it's known to crash. So if you're having crash problems and stuff like that, just probably not going to work out for you. So anyway, with that said, you can download this for free and all this stuff. And to get you going, if you check my in my profile here, I'm going to show you something, because I'm going to give you some free stuff. I've been doing this for years, and I made video tutorials, so I'm going to show you where to get them. I like to point it out in the description, and I've actually had people say, where's the link? And I'll say it right in the video, and I'm like, it's in the description. And they're like, where? And I'm like, it's like, when you see stuff, it's when I'm referring to the description, and a lot of people do, it's like it's below the video, and it's usually down here somewhere. And sometimes you gotta press, show more or show less to read what's going on. To get the videos, okay? Real simple. Just click here. My name. I'll try putting the link in the description on this one here. Then you'll see the thing that says playlist. And right here, I have got 12 video tutorials, okay? When I mean 12, I mean I go over about everything in this program. I'm saying 99%. And I've sold these videos for years, and they were one of my top sellers. And I'm going to give them away for free, no obligations or anything like that. You know, I always do work on a little donation, so you may every now and then see me put something down in my description to make a small donation. And I hate spamming, but you know, I got stuff where you can, you know, make a donation through PayPal. But if you do, I just hate to bring this up right now, but they do have an option there to cover the processing fee. So basically, if you go too small, like $1, there might be $1.50 processing fee. So it might cost me 50 cents for you to make $1 donation. So just keep that in mind. When you do click on the links, it will give you an option to bypass that. I'm not sure. You can just click and it'll explain it to you through PayPal. So anyway, let's go back here, and I'm going to run through it one more time. Another thing is, some people say I click the link and it brings me back to the video or something like that. You know, I'm using Firefox and I'm not having problems. Different browsers do different things. I've had people say they can't even see the link down there. So just keep that in mind. If you don't see the link or see something I explained down the bottom video, because I do offer a lot of free plugins for ZBrush, is below the video. This is called the description. Show more or show less. So get back to here again. Remember, it's in my playlist. It's called 12 Hexagon Tutorials, and it goes from left to right. Everything should be in order, where I start here and go over here and here, and when I get to each tab, it goes in order. I don't you know, scoot you all around and say click here, go over here, click here. Like I said, you know, it's got the UV and paints, but you know, that to me, I'm not interested in that. But if you are, you know, it's in there for you. So basically, like I said, this is box modeling, and it's just got some stuff that, you know, I love ZBrush too, and there's ZModeler. But there's some of the stuff that just makes it so difficult, when this program, you can just do stuff so simple, and it's like they're similar. One's got more than the other, or one's got one better than the other, or vice versa. And this is a program you're going to be able to pick up. You're going to be able to learn it. When you get done through my videos, you can go through them a day, and you're pretty much going to know about everything about this program. ZBrush, different thing. There's too many things. It would take you a year to go through all that stuff and explain it. But this is, you know, it's not. You're not going to be scratching your head like, you know, some of these free softwares, you know, like Blender and stuff. This guy's doing this and this guy's doing this. And I watched plenty of videos on different types of software. I'm not just picking on any software like Blender. They say, well, they can do this and they can do that. And when I get done watching the video and they're making something, I'm like, geez, he just spent 20 minutes making something. I could have did it in about 2 minutes over in this program here, or 3, whatever. This is a really time, you know, it'll cut your time in half. And like I said, you know, when I first started, I just did not like box modeling. I thought it was boring. Basically, what the box modeling will do for you, you know, it's good for, like, you know, you want to make parts, or, you know, let's say like a trombone or a clarinet or whatever. It's real simple. Now, as far as like sculpturing, you know, like a head, or, well, you know, you can shape out a head, and you start off with your blocks. I think this is kind of how it starts out. Or a horse, or like make a horse shape, you know, a little bit out of a couple boxes. Then to take it into ZBrush and just bash it and start sculpturing with it. But like I said, this ain't sculpturing. And I tell you what, if you never did box modeling, it'll make you understand how things work. And if you're really interested in modeling, say, oh man, this is what I want to do the rest of my life. I enjoy it. It's fun. You know, this is something you're really going to need. If you decide now that you're like, you know, I'm still not interested, you got to give it a try. And I'm going to be posting some examples, and so you can kind of see on my YouTube channel how things work. I do got a couple things over there. I think I did some speed modeling on some bike frame, and I did do a trombone. You can search through my videos. But anyway, I want to give this to you guys for free. I've had it up on my website, on my cart page. Pretty much, this, I think they pretty much quit developing this program and other programs that I've been teaching on. So I pretty much put my website to a close, and I could still sell this because this was my #1 seller. But I'm just going to go ahead and move on and let other people enjoy that. With times hard and people not working, I just want to offer something for free. And there's no obligation. If you don't want to make a donation, don't worry about it. And anyway, just to let you know up front, a lot of my videos, I'll keep an eye on it for about a week or so. I don't pay attention to what's going on over here. I'm not one of them. See how many views I got. Click my bell notification. Subscribe to my channel thing. I'm not that type of guy. I come in here, I try to help you out, and after about a week, if I see nobody replying, I just move on. I don't care if you, I don't care if you subscribe or not. But I just wanted to pass it on because I just enjoy not only tinkering. I like making videos, and I like to see people happy. I've actually since I've sold all these videos through these right here, I've actually have not seen one complaint yet since I've made these. Once you get to the playlist, you can watch them on. I watch mine on my Roku. It'll let you start from the beginning, and you don't got to click anything, and it'll play each video through each one. So it'll play through all three. You can just sit back and have a good time, get you something to eat, watch some video, and I promise you, once you get this program, and if you use any other program, you'll probably go back to the program and say, hey, could you make something like this? This is so easy in this program, but you guys make it so hard in this program. I'm telling you, everything is easy in this program. Everything is better in this program. I have never seen anything that is so simple and so well laid out than Hexagon. ZBrush, it's got a lot. You got to use your brain with it. And it's got some stuff that, could use some improvement. Like I said, I wish they were both, combined. But I'm not picking on any software. I mean, I love the Z Modeler. It's got some stuff in there that would do some whipping on you. I mean, if it's got some stuff that will make things like extremely quick. But a lot of people just don't like to do that because it's just overwhelming. They don't understand what this does, because ZBrush offers not only one way, they offer 100 ways to do one thing. Which nothing wrong with that, but it's got some research done to it where there was some brain work put in that program. I guarantee you, because I've been teaching that program too. And to this day, I've been using ZBrush since it came out. I've been using this program since it came out. This one you can learn pretty quick. ZBrush, there's a lot to learn in there, so it's not nothing that you're going to spend overnight. This program here, watch all the videos in these 12 videos. And I guarantee you'll at least comprehend more than 50% of this. So anyway, remember, it's free. These videos, the program's free. The videos are free. And I'm going to have a new playlist. I don't know what I will call it, but I'll maybe I don't think I'll do like video tutorials of making things and explain it, but maybe I'll just do some stuff where you could just watch me do it, or I'll just narrate as I go. I just don't like to spend a lot of time. I spend years making video tutorials, and it kind of gets annoying after a while. I mean, it takes a lot of work. Just because you see an hour's worth of video don't mean it took me an hour to do, because you get going here and you make a mistake. You're like, man, I can't put that on that video because I want to look professional. And that's kind of like everybody. They always trying to edit their video, and I'm admit it. I'm another one that does it. I'm feel like I'm under pressure. If somebody was over watching me do something, I couldn't do it as good as just being here by myself. So I just want to, and another thing is I want to make it understanding. So for me to keep on screwing up, I want you to understand what's going on without me making a mistake. That way, you don't get confused. But anyway, this is free. This is free. And enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.